Alright, we got a no cooling call here, residential house. I already been inside, turned the unit on. Fan kicks on. And the outdoor unit, the fan kicks on, but there's no compressor. It's got a nice backyard. I want to jump in the pool, it's so hot. So here's the unit. Fan's been replaced at one point. This is all that's working is the fan. Oh, any black widows in here? It's got a hard start in there. Oh boy, that's a big one. I don't carry a big one like that. I think that's bubbled up. I can see that. Oh boy. I don't know what's going on there, but even on the bottom, we've got some wiring issues. Thought for sure a capacitor, but this, I won't rule out the capacitor though. Pull the disconnect. Verify there's no power here. Nothing there. Nothing there. Non-contact. I don't know. I do it all. All right. Let's crack that open. I think that wire's fine. Here we go. That's the reason. Wonder if they wired everything correctly. Wonder when the new hard start was put in. So this one we're going to be replacing the contactor. Contactor still may be good, but it may still work. But it's been through some heat and who knows what else. So for me to really be able to warranty my work that I do, I'm gonna have to replace it. Oh yeah, this is also a home warranty. That's gonna add to all the fun. Oh, I better get some pictures. Home warranty wants pictures all the time. Alright, MFD, let's check the fan. 4.8, should be 5. I think plus or minus 10%, no, plus or minus 5%. We're at 0 for the capacitor. For the compressor side. So capacitor is bad. Capacitor is bad. Wiring is bad. Alright, now to call the home warranty and see. Capacitor, contactor, I'm also going to throw in some wiring repair. Okay, so I looked at the wiring again. I was right, there was only one of the fan wires going to that contactor, or to the capacitor, not two. And that's because they wired in another capacitor down there. And they're pulling power off the other capacitor. So that's what the situation is there. Too lazy to wire it? I don't know. Whatever.